What is going on, guys? This is the voice of TWB, and in today's video we are going to be looking at meme coins. Yes, we're going to be looking at the top meme coins for the next 10 to 50x, because meme coins right now are on the spotlight, and they are considered the next big thing in cryptocurrency due to a lot of factors. And also I want us to know that in March of this year, centralized exchanges reported that $13 billion worth of meme coins was traded on centralized exchanges like Binance, even averaging and surpassing major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana as at that time, giving us signs of liquidity and interest. Some meme coins have potentials for 50x, some 10x, and while some 100x. So without further ado, let's dive into those meme coins that have the potential for some massive gains 2025 and beyond. So the first altcoin on my screen right now is Foxy, and Foxy is described to be the first linear blockchain meme coin that combines community spirit and technological capabilities on the blockchain. Sometimes people always refer to it as the cultural coin because it's foster community culture within the linear ecosystem, and also it has gained momentum and has a lot of followers and community on X, formerly Twitter, with over 210,000 on-chain holders, making it one of the significant community-driven meme coins on the linear network. It has also achieved several listings on different centralized exchanges, and currently the market cap is 31 million, which people project it to still go to 1 billion. So that means from 31 million to 1 billion, that's like 100x, or is around 80x or 50x. So yes, right now looking at the current price action, it's still very bearish. Okay, but before we get to the price action, there is anticipation around the linear token generation event and an associated airdrop. And also this could boost Foxy's visibility and value because it is a leading blockchain on linear. So all this could actually trigger a significant spike in the price of Foxy, but that is for the fundamental aspects of it. But looking at technical analysis aspects, the all-time high on my screen here is 0.01. The current market price is 31 million, which we're expecting it to do more. And then over the last year, I'm interested in the last year. Over the last year, we can see 28%. This is a very good community-driven meme coin. It has not really performed over the last years, and we're expecting it to perform well. So this is a very good sign of bullish momentum. There is room. There is room for more. That is just the meaning of what I can see here. And looking at these channels over here, these are supporting channels, so I can still expect Foxy to dip a little bit or retrace a little bit before things starts to go normal, before it's goes back to this 80h. This is the first target. This is a very good target, and then I have a very good supporting area here also. But I'm expecting price to retrace down a little bit. We can see some sort of supports here. Can see a sort of supports here. So I'll be expecting price to probably break this support and then come here. This is my targets, and this is the first target, right? So this is 100% from where I'm targeting, and the next target, so this is the 80h so far. This is 0.03, and we can expect it to still go to 0.05 as at the time of this video. So my second target is going to be 0.05 for linear, because this is a meme coin and you can expect massive gains on it. That is almost 500%. That is almost 500% from where we're expecting price to start moving to the upside. Okay, so we have first target to be 100% and second target to be 500%, which is pretty cool. The second meme coin I'm going to be looking at is Pudgy Penguins. So it is a Solana based meme coin that's recently is tied to the popular NFT project, which is the Pudgy Penguins project, and it became a very big market sensation. And also the project's launch had significant profits for early investors. Imagine you were an early investor in this kind of project. You would have been part of those that got the early investors profits. But by the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and also drop a like, and let me know what you guys think in the comments about this video. So looking at the current market cap, it is currently on 2 billion, you can see, and it is ranked number 55. So this has done very well, but it is on the list because I'm expecting it to do more. It's a very good meme coin that I'm expecting it to do more. So you can see there are striking changes in the top 10 meme coin list. Pudgy Penguins and Fatcoin. I think I made a video on Fatcoin the other day. I'm not so sure, but Fatcoin has boosted over the days, that has gone high. So I don't think I made a video on that because it was already very bullish. But right now we're still looking at the pairs that are kind of like in their retracing zones. So Pudgy Penguins is already ranked number 55, and over the past month I can see 600% emerging, and then over the past 7 days we can see 25%. So this is still a good sign, and current market cap is 2 billion already, which can go to 5 billion or 10 billion. That's 5x from the current market price right now. And you can see we don't really have anything much ongoing here on the charts. That's just done 1000, almost 1000%. This is 10x. This is 10x, immediate 10x. Just one candle has done 10x. So we are still expecting more, but you can still wait for a little bit of retracement probably here, and then price will now start moving to the upside. Okay, so my current price target for this guy, first of all, I'm going to be using key levels here since I don't have any technical analysis to back this up, because this is a new chart. First target is 0.06, and second target is going to be 0.1. Then third target is going to be 0.2, just like that, because these are key levels that people need to take note of. And then the next key level is going to be 0.2. This is how to analyze if you don't have current price or a chart, you understand. And then you can now consider the other fundamental analysis, which in just 7 months they sold 750,000 units of this NFT. This is a very good sign that investors believe in this project, and they also put more money, expecting more returns, and then that did well. Do you understand? So there is a very positive sentiment about Pengu tokens, or what is the name? Yeah, Pengu, don't let me make a mistake, Pudgy Penguins. Okay, so there's a positive feeling around it, and then the success is actually attributed to the brand and partnerships like Walmart, which have exposed Pudgy Penguins to mainstream audience like you and I. Okay, so the token is currently gaining investor interest, despite the fact that it has not really given a lot of chart, and it's looking like it wants to dip, because it has not been going up since this pump, but still it is receiving more investor interest, and some people are projecting its market cap to be 10 billion. That is 5x from currently what we are looking at. But will that be possible with our current analysis? I'm seeing the support here, so I expect price to retrace back to this support zone. So you can see from our support to the first zone is what, almost 200%. That's like 2x, and then our support to the second target is going to be 3x, and then to the third target is going to be, should be around 5x or 7x. Yeah, 7x, I got that correctly. So this is 7x, and then looking at the current market cap, 2 billion to 10 billion is also around 5x. So this analysis is very intact. Next is Andy on base. Also, we don't really have much information here, and then this meme coin is also on my list because it is part of the top meme coins that has investor interests. Andy on base, I think there's one Andy on ETH. There are other Andys, but Andy on base is positioned by big investors that this is going to be the next big meme coin on base. And that base ecosystem right now, I think projects are trying to move to the base ecosystem because of the scalability, the fees is very cheap, and it is fast. So people are trying to move to the base ecosystem, and that's why I believe this meme coin is trying to thrive on the base ecosystem. Why investors are picking it as the next big meme coin on base. And also some people are saying, there are mentions that centralized exchanges are going to list Andy, but that was around 2 weeks ago. So this should be live on some exchanges right now. And then it was also found out that Andy has gained a lot of community support with over 8,000 members. That means it's just trying to come up with new members, 8,000 members in their Telegram channel. But it's not just about channels or members, it's about the quality of the engagement. And the supporters are dedicated, passionate, and they genuinely believe in these projects with a current market cap of 9 million USD. Okay, so we can still expect more. Currently ranked 4,000 out of 10,000. That is very nice. That's part of the top 3%, top 30%. Market cap is 9 million. Experts are aiming 500 million market cap or 100 million market cap. So 500 million market cap or 100 million market cap is around 38x and 38x to 100x respectively. So let's look at the monthly and yearly performance. Yearly performance is just 10%, which is pretty low. This is pretty low compared to what we are still expecting and compared to what we are seeing and compared to what is going to happen. So over the months, we've had just a bearish decline and 21% decline also over the past 7 days, and all time is just 11%. So there's room for more. Let's see from here to here, we can see just 67%. This is relatively low. That means there's still low volume and volatility on this meme coin. I'll be expecting price to retrace from here, any moment from here, retrace back to the upside any moment from here. I don't expect it to go below this, and if it goes below, there is fundamentals around to push price to this first target. So this is going to be my first target for Andy on base, which is going to be around 50%. Yes, so that is pretty low. 0.01, then the next target is going to be 0.02, just based on key levels, because I use key levels as part of my strategy. Support and resistance, breakouts and retest, these are key levels. Okay, and the second target is going to be 100%. But if you want to aim for bigger highs, according to the current market cap, then that's when you're going to see like the 38x, 50x, 100x. But right now, it's actually possible to achieve those kind of x's, but with time. It's not going to happen immediately, probably later in 2025. Not really Q4, not Q1 2025, but maybe like Q4 2025, because there is a lot of news and partnership that is going to occur along the line. And finally, we have Hemil. Hemil is also a meme coin that is centered around Vitalik Buterin's cats. That is the owner of Ethereum, if I'm right. Vitalik Buterin is the owner of Ethereum, right? So it's cats, and it is also a community-based project that aims to create a decentralized ecosystem that focuses on security, privacy, and lastly, community engagement. I think every meme coin should have a solid community engagement, because if not, it would kill the project at the long run. So currently, market cap is on 4.6 million USD. Yearly performance, I love what I'm seeing here. I love cats so much. And then look at these cats focusing on the charts, waiting for the price to go to the moon. We're expecting that. Over the months, we have 46% decline. Over the years, we have just 278% increase, which is very little compared to what might still happen. Maximum supply 1 billion, circulating supply also around 1 billion. Okay, users like you and I, if you are a user of this Hemil, you can earn interests and also make a passive income for yourself, and it involves locking the token for a specific period of time to generate some returns. I feel like this is cool. If you want to try it out, you can just check it out and let us know what you feel about it in the comment section. Hemil celebrated its first anniversary because of the all-time high some weeks or months ago, and these achievements is just because of its resilience amidst the various market challenges. And also, you should know that this project is coming from someone very significant in the community, which is Vitalik Buterin, that is the owner of Ethereum. And you should always make sure to watch out for a statement or announcements concerning this meme coin project. Okay, and going back to the predictions, I'm seeing some good analysis here. price is still trading in this little descending channel. Price is very bearish right now. I'll be expecting a breakout soon. Expecting a breakout. Once the breakout happens here, then you can expect price to start, going to the upside. So the first target is going to be here. First target is going to be here. That is 0.01, and the second target is going to be 0.02. So price is still very bearish, so we would just wait for a very good breakout before we start to strike. So it will be around here. That's the first target. The first target is around 150%, and then the second target should be 0.02, which is very close by, and then we can target 0.05 because that looks a little bit far, but it's quite realistic because 0.02 is too near and price might just break through at once. The second target is going to be 0.05, which is highly possible, which is going to be 7x. Yes, 7x from where we're expecting price to buy after the breakout of the resistance area. Did I call this a support earlier? Sorry, it's the resistance area. Once price breaks out of the resistance, there is a sort of free range here, clean traffic range over here that we can, expect price to just pierce through once and for all, especially when there's a lot of fundamentals happening around the meme coin, and also some unexpected things that can happen that will be positive, that will help us make some profit, and that will help Memecoins price to boost to the moon. Okay, so that will be all for today's video. If you love this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Drop a like because it helps the algorithm. And if you want to learn more about trading and analyzing, enter my DM. The link is in the description. You can always chat me, WhatsApp, Telegram, or Instagram. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.